what's up? So, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. Now, it's a Raksha Bandhan vlog, guys. Happy Raksha Bandhan to everybody, to all brothers and sisters out there. Happy Raksha Bandhan. I hope you spend this day very well. So, right now, what I'm going to do is me and my brother, we have certain plans. So right now it's 11:56. Can you see it? Okay. So right now it is 11:56, and from the morning, like since the morning, we have done we have a lot of plans. I'm fumbling. Okay. So right now we have to do something which is very important. So he had to go to the market for buying a lot of things, so that's why it's very late. Like I wanted to start this vlog early in the morning, but I couldn't. So okay, let me just settle down. So now, okay. So now we have certain plans, and I have told this line so many times. We have certain plans. We have certain plans. So we are going to make pizza today, and okay, stop. Okay, so we have certain plans today, and if you know that we have a food channel now which is called Food Crash, so please check it out. Link will be in the description. So in that channel we are going to upload this video of pizza. So we're going to make pizza. We are going to make Raksha Bandhan banner, just a little bit of decoration, and we will click some pictures. We will do the Rakhi ritual, and most important, we are going to have fun. So that is the most important thing. And so right now what we're going to do is we're going to make the banner, that is Raksha Bandhan banner, and we're going to have a lot of fun. So let's start. And there's a lot of ants here, ants. I hate ants. Also, this is the new power bank I'm having. I think it's super cute. I love it. So again, happy Raksha Bandhan, guys. So let's start. I just showered and changed into my outfit for today. Like, this is it. Okay, how can I show you? Yeah, so these are the pants. Like, I bought them a lot, like long before, but I didn't actually like them. But today I felt like wearing them, and this top, I love this top. I love, 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 love it. So we just did the banner. You saw it. I really, really liked it, and then I changed into my outfit, and so now I'm just going to talk a little bit about something about Raksha Bandhan and all. So the thing is that I have one of my brothers with me, like Babuda. I have him with me, but I do not have my three of my sweet, sweet brothers with me. I do not have them right now because of Corona and all. Like, they are a little far away and they can't come. So that is why this short clip is for them, dedicated to them. And oh wait, oh yeah. So they watched my video. I'm sure they will watch this. So these Rakhis are for them. So this is actually made by me. In school there was this competition when I made it, and this one is, I think, from shop. So these Rakhis are for three of them, Akashta, Rekta and Reese. I am missing you a lot. बहुत miss कर रही हो, और I hope we will meet soon. Like, yeah, and this day is totally incomplete without my brothers, because yeah, it's for them only. And thank you so much for being with me always. Thank you for being my support. Thank you for being my strength. Thank you for making me smile. Thank you for everything. Thank you for everything. And these two Rakhis are dedicated to you. So if you're watching this video, I love you so, so, so much. And you mean a lot to me. I'm missing you a lot today. Please come soon. I want to meet you soon. And बहुत 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 बातें करने हैं, बहुत मज़ा करना है. सो दैट इज़ वाई. एंड हैप्पी रक्षाबंधन वंस अगेन. तो हाँ, ये है वो तीनों पागलों के लिए जो बहुत स्वीट है. और या, आई एम रियली मिसिंग यू. सो थैंक यू सो मच. बस डेडिकेट करना था और थोड़ी से बातें करने थे इस चीज़ के बारे में, बिकॉज दे आर नॉट हियर राइट नाउ. सो थैंक यू सो मच. एंड या, so what we're going to do now is we are going to do something. We are going to make a video. जो इस vlog में we are not going to show, but which will come up after this vlog. You are going to see this after you watching this vlog. So that is another special video that is going to come out. So we are going to shoot that video right now, and yeah, we're going to click some pictures, because that is why I am like wearing all these, because otherwise I hate wearing these things. Like, I don't hate, but I do not actually wear them. But today I did. So for you guys, for my brothers, I did that. And thank you so much. I love you so much. Bye yo. Hey guys, so you saw that we made pizza, and now we're going to eat a little bit of rice and chicken. That is lunch, because obviously we are hungry. After eating 3 pizzas, we are still hungry. I mean, I am still hungry, and he is also. So now we have to eat. We will eat. And also it changed, because oh my god, that was uncomfortable. that outfit was uncomfortable. Like all these jhumkas and all were so uncomfortable, so I changed, and I am a little bit okay. So also I'm not looking at the camera. I'm always looking at me, but I should look at the camera. So yeah, now we're going to have our like proper lunch. Like we ate pizza, but still we need a proper lunch. So we will eat proper lunch right now, and we will watch something on my laptop, maybe some movie or something, and then we will see what we can do. And all the Rakhi rituals and everything is done, guys. So yeah, the day is very nicely going on, and the pizza was delicious. So, hey guys, good night for now. The vlog is ending, and after the video call, we didn't I didn't vlog because there was nothing like that in the evening and all. I just edited another video and also uploaded it on our food channel, so link will be in the description. Right now it is 12:19 a.m. and it's late at night, like, yeah, I think so. I just wrote my journal, and now I am going to read a little bit. Like, I'm sleepy but also not so sleepy, so I think I'll read, because actually I'm not getting time to read in the morning, and I'm really going slow with this book, but I really need to finish this book soon, so I'll read a few pages and then I will sleep probably. So this was today's vlog, guys. I hope you like it. Happy Raksha Bandhan once again. So I hope you all are safe and at home. Please stay safe, guys. We'll obviously get through this soon. And yeah, good night, sweet dreams. Subscribe to my channel, please, and hit the bell icon. And also please follow me on Instagram, link will be in the description. And yeah, I'll meet you in the next video very soon. And yeah, good night, bye bye, take care.